Hare Krishna. Today we are at the 7th verse of the 2nd chapter. This verse is the turning point of the entire Gita. You can say that this is the deja vu or the eureka moment for Arjuna, wherein he is fully perplexed, and in his perplexity, as we have been seeing, he takes a very bold and significant decision that changes the entire outcome of this conversation. What is that step? What is the decision that he is taking is the subject matter of today's verse. One of the most important verses of the Bhagavad Gita, the 7th verse of the 2nd chapter, which goes, Karpanya dosho upahat svabhava पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेता यह श्रेयस्यात् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Arjuna says, now I am confused about my duty and I have lost all composure because of my miserly weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me. We see, as we have been discussing all along, that every single person has Swabhava. Every single species has Swabhava. And it is very difficult to give up one's Swabhava. And according to one's Swabhava, there are duties that one has to perform. When one is not conversant in performing one's duty according to one's Swabhava, that is what creates perplexity, or that is what creates the feeling of Karpanya or misery. So some verses back we have seen how Krishna had accused Arjuna that, my dear Arjuna, this stance of yours of not wanting to fight, anarya jushtam aswargyam akirti karam Arjuna, it is not going to do any good. Anarya, it is not befitting for a kshatriya like you. So when Krishna says you are taking a position which is not befitting a kshatriya, Arjuna also says, yes, why? Karpanya dosho. I am not at fault. It is because of my miserly weakness, upahat svabhavaha. It is forcing me to give up my duty. So we also go through such situations in our lives, wherein we are perplexed what our duty has to be. And that's why we see the most significant step that happens in Arjuna's this dealing is, he says, Prichhami tvam dharma sammudha chetah. Dharma sammudha. I am illusioned about my duty. Whether my duty is to fight as a kshatriya, or whether it is my duty to be compassionate, to be watchful of family traditions, to be really concerned about their wives becoming widows. मेरा ड्यूटी क्या है? धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेतः. इसीलिए अर्जुन कहते हैं, यह श्रेयः स्यात् निश्चितम, जो मेरे लिए सबसे बढ़िया है इस सिचुएशन में. ब्रूहि तन्मे, प्लीज टेल मी. So Krishna might say, why should I tell you? So he says, not only tell me, shadhi mam. Shadhi means instruct. So not just tell me, oh my dear Krishna, you please instruct me. Krishna said, अरे how can I instruct you? You and me are friends. Friends थोड़ी ना एक दूसरे को instruct करते हैं. Friends के बीच में तो आराम से बातें होती हैं. So then he says, त्वाम प्रपन्नम, I have surrendered unto you. This त्वाम prapanna, Arjuna surrender when he declares to Krishna. This is the deja vu or the eureka moment in the entire Bhagavad Gita. Now on we will see actually Bhagavad Gita comes into full throttle. जैसे गाड़ी स्टार्ट होती है, फर्स्ट गियर, सेकंड गियर, थर्ड गियर, फोर्थ गियर, फिफ्थ गियर. फिफ्थ गियर में 80 की स्पीड पकड़ लिया, दैट इज द पोटेंशियल विथ विच द व्हीकल हैज टू गो. सो नाउ भगवद गीता विल गो इन 5th gear. This is the deja vu moment. In our lives also, we have so many perplexities that we go through, and that is why we also must have a guru, a spiritual guide, a margadarshak. So Shastrasya Mundaka says, tad vijnanartham sa gurum eva abhigachet samita pani shrotriyam brahmanishtham. In order to understand spirituality, tad vijnanartham sa gurum eva abhigachet. One must approach a guru. Who is a guru? Samita panihi shrotriyam. He has really grasped all spiritual knowledge himself through oral reception, shrotriyam. Not only has he grasped the message of absolute truth, brahmanishtham, he is practicing it perfectly in his life. केवल सुन के नहीं, उस व्यक्ति को उस हिसाब से चलना भी होगा. समीत पाणी श्रोत्रियम ब्रह्मनिष्ठम. One who has heard in disciplic succession and one who is living by those teachings. These are the two kind of people whom one must look for, one must search for. He is a bona fide spiritual master. We see even in Marathi there is a beautiful saying, there is a proverb, बोले तैसा चाले त्याची वंदावी पाऊले. One who walks his talk is worshipable. Specifically in spiritual path, there are many people who talk, but there are very few who actually walk their talk. So if one can be blessed with the association of a person who has heard everything in disciplic succession and he is actually practicing it in his or her own life, that's the best thing. Even in Marathi there is a proverb which says, Bole taisa chale tyachi vandavi paule. One who walks his talk is a worshipable man. There are many people specifically in spiritual circles who talk, but we have very few who walk their talk. So if one can meet such a man, yes, one who is Samitapani Shrotriyam and Brahmanishtham, that is the essence of the human form of life. What should one go? What should one do? One should just go to him and say, Shadhimam, please instruct me, because Tvam Prapannam, I am surrendered unto you. This is the most essential and basic teaching in human form of life. So, even previously, Arjuna has been saying so many things. Krishna has also been saying so many things. But the beauty of this point is, Arjuna says that now I am surrendered unto you. Tvam Prapannam. I will no longer oppose. Whatever you say will be accepted. This is the relation between a spiritual master and a disciple. A disciple is someone who voluntarily agrees or submits his freedom to be trained in disciplic succession. So, a spiritual master must be accepted unopposed. In friend circles, we might have casual talk. And जो भी हमारे friends बोले हाँ ठीक है यार तू ही जानता है क्या मैं भी जानता हूँ. But that is not a case when a conversation is there between a disciple and spiritual master. A spiritual master must be given unhindered obedience. That is most important. So Arjuna says, Shishyasteham, I am your disciple. Shadhimam, please instruct me. Why? Tvam Prapannam, I am a soul surrendered unto you. It doesn't stop here. Arjuna's perplexity will go on tomorrow also in the 8th shloka. Please be with us. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 रामा रामा रामा